How to clean and maintain your windows. If you do not clean your window glass on a regular basis, watermarks, dust and grime will accumulate. Warm soapy water is desirable, but do not use excessively. Too many bubbles may leave persistent marks on your glass. To avoid smearing on dirt, use a clean lint-free cloth, and refresh the water frequently. To remove it, use a soft clean cloth. There are several approaches to cleaning windows, depending on how unclean they are, and how large they are, and how much time you have. And if you like to use natural cleaning agents such as vinegar, mix some mild detergent with warm water, and clear away any filth with a delicate cloth. Make sure you don't use any harsh chemicals that could harm the frame finish. Before wiping the window dry, use new water to wipe away the suds. Vinegar was probably used to clean your grandparents' windows, and it's still regarded as a highly effective technique to remove stubborn filth. Even better if it's non-toxic. Simply combine 2 teaspoons of vinegar with a small bucket of warm water to make your own washing solution. Then proceed with the steps for using soapy water. But be sure to wear rubber gloves. If the dirt is really ground on, spray the vinegar solution on the windows and let it sit for a few minutes before addressing it with your sponge. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment. This will help us make more useful videos.